So Cleantech is an ASX listed company, and we're under the symbol CNQ. The normal disclaimers. And so let's talk a little bit about Cleantech. So Cleantech is a specialised technology company, and we're really solving some of the world's most pressing resources challenges, especially in the area of the water and mining sectors. We've got a full suite of technology tools which provide best practice in the filtration and separation of water and minerals. And we're really focused on three major areas. Number one is the lithium demand. Number two is the mining rehabilitation area. And third is our freshwater scarcity problems. And each of these problems is a global problem. So these problems also are really being accelerated by the carbon reduction goals that have been placed on most companies, and they're all working very hard to achieve the goals. The first one here is lithium, and lithium is obviously needed to support the growing demand in electric vehicles, and it's a key component of the lithium-ion batteries that are used in these ESV vehicles. The lithium demand is expected to grow more than 40-fold by 2040 if the Paris Agreement for carbon reduction goals are met. And there is going to be a significant gap between the supply and demand curves for lithium. And we have a very significant role to play in this sector. The second sector is the mine rehabilitation area, where it's really important for the miners to save both the water that they're using within their mining in their mining endeavours, and also to get other valuable products from the tailings, which is the mine waste, which is currently going just to the storage facilities, and in the end ends up being an environmental and safety problem for the miners. This market is expected to grow quite quickly as the mining supports our current climate goals. And the area of freshwater scarcity is a real issue. And we see that every day on our news, that our water supplies are becoming more contaminated as population growth and urbanisation and climate is having an impact on our very, very, shall we say, limited reserves of fresh water. So purification in this area is an area where Cleantech technologies can play a big role in ameliorating these problems. So Cleantech now has structured itself to capitalise on these markets, and we're looking to change from being a project and product providing type supply to the markets to be more focusing on equity ownership via business partnerships, which will enable both revenue and capital gains for our shareholders. So our first partnership has been via our Go to Lithium spin-out, which enables us entry to its strategic North American lithium market. And Go to Lithium will utilise the licence to our direct lithium extraction technology, which extracts lithium from brines in the North American area. And that will provide a source of lithium in this particular area. And North American sourced lithium is critical to the future of the US EV car markets, and US is providing a lot of incentives for companies to make this happen. So Go to Lithium has now done its first deal, a technology for equity deal, whereby Go to Lithium will earn up to 26% in the TSX listed entity Lithium Bank. And as we progress this partnership with Lithium Bank through piloting and engineering stages, we expect to see Lithium Bank's value increase substantially. And our equity stake within Lithium Bank will follow that as it moves through various milestones from its preliminary economic assessment all the way through a bankable feasibility study. The deal also provides the measure of the worth of the technology in the lithium space. And so we will be pursuing these deals with other asset owners in the lithium market space going forward. We also look to do innovative partnerships in the mine tailings rehabilitation area. A recent acquisition of the ATA technology, which is a technology which provides accelerated dewatering technology, is central to this market. Mining companies have a really big problem to solve around tailings storage, and we expect that ATA technologies will be game-changing in this area. The ATA technology will allow the companies to look at opening up the possibility for metal recovery from tailings, to get processed water recycling done in a much more efficient way than it's currently done, and also will allow them to move from current wet storage techniques through to dry stacking techniques, which then takes away a lot of the environmental and life-threatening harm that can be caused through failures of these tailings storage dams. And finally, we come to our water area, which has really been the central platform on which Cleantech Water has existed today. And we'll continue working in this area, generating revenues. To date, we have around about $10 million in contracts in calendar year 23, and we expect our growth in this area to continue. Just a little bit of a recap on 2023. As you can see, we generated $13.6 million in total revenue, which was up by 9% on the previous year. And we achieved this revenue through the delivery of a number of quite important demonstration projects in the water treatment area. All the way through from the one that you see here, which is Townsville Recycle Treatment, which is still in progress, and we expect to finalise that contract around the February mark of 2024. This is taking effluent water and recycling it for beneficial reuse, all the way through to the project we've done in the Middle East with NESA, where we have taken groundwater and achieved excellent results in terms of recovery of groundwater for use in completion waters. And also our ion exchange technologies, both in Kumala and also in Larumba. We just recently won a Northern Territory Award for the Larumba water treatment plant, where we've done, I think, a fantastic job in improving the health of the Aboriginal communities by providing good drinkable fresh water. So those areas have been really, I think, a success for Cleantech in 2023, and we're looking forward to pushing that further into 2024. I think we've got plenty of news flow to look forward to from Cleantech in 2024. It will include our progress with the Go to Lithium joint venture, where our pilot plant will be delivered to Canada, and we expect to have that up and operating in the Q1 in calendar year 24. And also for future agreements with other asset owners in the North American lithium market. We're also looking forward to further commercialisation of the ATA tailings through partnerships in mine tailings management. And again, I think this will be a big news story in the next few months. And finally, we expect to continue to grow our water treatment business, targeting about 25% revenue growth this year, and over 2023, that is. And we're going to enter into a number of licensing and partnerships in this area. For any further information, please refer to our website, which is www.cleantechwater.com. And we'll also have our latest webinar and ASX announcement there, and you can sign up for updates on the website via the contact page there. So thank you for your time.